Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Elfin Hair. I have been working with Elfin Hair for quite a long time and I can tell y'all they never disappoint with the quality of their hair. This package came with a hair bonnet, an edge brush, a wig cap, and a hair manual cut. This is the hair we're working with and it's 22 inches in length and I got it in 2 packs. It's your natural black deep wave human hair extension for braiding and I'm going to be doing boho braids with it. I am only going to use this human hair for braiding my hair. No other braiding hair extension will be added. Yes, you heard that right. And this will be my first time doing boho braids on myself and I'm super excited about it. I'm not only excited about doing boho braids, I'm also excited about the quality and the texture of this hair. It is so soft and fluffy and I'm in love and I can't wait to install it. I'm gonna show y'all how I prep the hair so it can be easy for me to install and so I don't lose hair. What I do is gradually separate the hair, take some edge wax and apply at the tip of the hair, then get a rat tail comb out the tip and it will be separated for easy use. Keep on watching guys. So guys, I'm done. You know, doing hair is another thing, but loving the hair is heaven. I am so obsessed with this hair. I'm gonna spray some water on the hair and some hair conditioner to define the curls. See, you all need to get this hair and bowl with me. I've never been happier about the hair like I am with this one. And if you want to get one for yourself, the link to purchase will be in the description box. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.